Hey everyone, ServerSideIssues here with SSI, and today we're going to be going over the BF6 crashing fix. This is going to be similar to the crashing issue that we had with Black Ops 6 Season 2 update. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is come in here to our search bar. We're going to type in Windows Security, and that's going to open this up. We're going to go to App and Browser Control, and then Exploit Protection Settings. Once we're in there, we're going to go to Program Settings, and then we're going to hit this little plus button. We're going to choose exact file path, and then we're going to choose EA anti-cheat. So this is for Steam. So if you have it on like Epic Games or whatever, you're basically just going to find this specific path, and it's always going to be under EA anti-cheat. You're going to select the installer, you're going to hit open, and this is going to open up this. You're going to check all of these boxes all the way down, and then you're going to turn each of these off one by one if they're turned on. All right, cool. So once we do that, we're going to do the exact same thing, but with BF6 this time. So come in here, edit, choose exact file path, Battlefield 6, bf6.exe, and then open, and then the same thing. Make sure all of these are turned off. All right, cool. That is pretty much it for the video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to make a ticket and we will be glad to assist, but hopefully this fixes your crashing.